Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install the Chrome deletes for the Honda CR-V 2022. So it's going to be the installation for the side. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. For the side trims, it's the same thing. We make sure we clean each section. So with this one we might have to move the mirror just to get a good amount here. Okay, so when it comes to installing the side trims, you start off from either end, but we're going to start off from here and make our way to the last piece. With this one, it's starting off right here on this edge. That way we have coverage on both sides. Make sure you're covering the area here, and you cover here, bring it around, and finish it here. And this extra material, we could tuck in as much as possible, and then afterwards we just trim it off. So just help it tack down, and then I recommend adding heat. That way the film starts molding to the curve. And once we finish heating it up, then we just trim off the material that we don't need. So with this piece, you want to start off by aligning it right on the edge here, and it should cover here, and then just bring the film down underneath as much as you can, and it's just to cover as much as possible underneath here. You can use your squeegee to help tuck in right on the edge underneath here. So as you go, you tuck in. It is going to be a little tricky, but you just have to get around it. And then we just finish it off, sealing it with heat. So this section here is going to be a little tricky, but just take your time and aligning it right underneath. And then the excess material that we have here, you can trim it off, because we just use that piece. That way we can move it from one end and align it in the middle. Okay, and we just continue with the rest. So it's just aligning from one end, and then make your way on installing the rest of the film. Just like that. And then start squeegeeing. Take your time. Make sure if you do see a spot where the film is about to crease, just lift it, just tack it back down. With this one, you could just tuck in inside, or you could just trim off. But make sure if you're tucking in inside to seal it with heat afterwards. If not, then the adhesive is gonna not activate and the film's gonna be lifting afterwards. And then just trim off excess material here, and then apply heat to seal the whole film. So before we install this one, we want to make sure we trim off the excess material that we have for the small piece here. So just remove it and then trim it off with your blade. Just be careful when you're trimming off, since you do have a small area to work with here. So that's trimmed off, and just squeegee it back in place. And now we can finish off with installing this piece. We're just going to align it to the edge here and work our way, and then just trim it off here. Now that we've placed it, now it's just tacking in, and then removing any excess material like here, and then heat all around. And then the same steps that we did for the top and bottom piece, you just rinse and repeat for the rear door, and then we finish it off with the last piece on the quarter window. So for this last piece, you want to start off by aligning it on this end first. So just make sure you're going based on the alignment here. And you just work your way on installing each section. So this one should align up to here. And same with this one. It should cover all of the chrome underneath. And that's pretty much it for this one. And then just start squeegeeing everything. And then wherever there is a curve, like for example here, all we need to do is just apply a little bit of heat, and then we start working our way to tacking the section down. So, but for right now, we're just focused on the flat surfaces first. Okay, now that we worked around each section, now we can start using heat and tacking down everything, and then trimming off any excess material wherever we see excess material. So for this part, like I said, use heat and then just help it mold to the curve here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's...
Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome deletes for each section of the vehicle. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a video a like, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.